I guess the main sort of the ethos of the company, or where we're coming from, is that it's clinician-led. So that's always at the forefront of everything that we do. My background is a podiatrist, and because we're clinicians, who are running the business, there was this need to keep, innovating in the space. How do we get the devices back quicker? How do we make the patient's outcomes the best possible? The end goal is to get the clinical outcomes for the patients, for the practitioners. That's what drives us as a business.
We were the pioneers in the evolution of 3D printing in the orthotic industry. We were literally the first in the world that have had multi-jet fusion printers to mass produce orthotics.
We've been able to put time and money into test a lot of the print processes, the material, the software that goes around to actually work for our application. With 3D printing, because of the design freedom, it changes the scope of what the clinician can provide to their patients. And it's changing patient outcomes, essentially. To get a device made like this yesteryear, the process would be sort of 4 to 6 weeks. Now we can give it to someone within a week.
iOrthotics was developed by a podiatrist for podiatrists. So we spend a lot of effort and energy working on our IP to make sure that not only are the clinical outcomes better with the product that we produce, but also to solve those frustrations that a podiatrist might have.
The end game for us is to support the clinicians. If they need guidance and they want to talk to us, then absolutely we'll help. But essentially we're just making what they want us to make. So it only makes sense that they have full transparency and control over the process.
We give podiatrists the ability to track and follow orders within the space of a mouse click. They can see their designs before they get them manufactured.
The design will be shown to you. You might not like it, you ask for a change. There's no getting it a week later and then giving it back, and then the patient is the winner, and so is the practice.
Ultimately, it's about improving patient outcomes, improving people's quality of life.
And when technology can help us do that, then that's ultimately our goal here at iOrthotics.
What iOrthotics is offering, it hasn't been done before, not on this scale, and we're truly proud of that. And that's how we feel like we're reshaping the expectation in the orthotics industry.